Welcome to my channel. HooToo TripMate Elite Router Setup. Charge the TripMate Elite or connect it to a power source using a micro USB cable. Turn it on by pressing and holding the power button until the LED indicators light up. Connecting to the TripMate Elite. On your phone, tablet or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for the TripMate_SSID network and connect to it. The default password, if required, is 1111111 ones. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.1.1 or 10.10.10.254. Log in with the default credentials, username, admin, password, admin. After logging in, go to the Internet Settings section. Select Bridge Mode or Wi-Fi Repeater Mode. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Save the settings and restart the router. Plug in a USB drive or external hard drive into the USB port. Thanks for watching.